Hello everyone, I am Sanobar, your gate mentor from Safal Together. Now let's take a look at one of the most fundamental concepts in building services and environment, the climate zone of India. This topic is extremely important because climate directly influences building form, material, shading, ventilation and passive design strategy. As you can see here, India is divided into 5 major climatic zone and each zone demand a different architectural response. You can see in hot and dry region like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Deccan Plateau, these are very hot summer, low humidity and large day night variation. So architecture here focuses on thick walls, small openings, courtyards, shading elements, all helping in reducing heat gain and maximizing comfort. Whereas in warm and humid coastal region like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Mumbai, Orissa, here we have high temperature and high humidity with heavy rainfall. So the design approach focuses on cross ventilation, large opening, lightweight structure, raised plinth ventilation is the key, not insulation. Again, the third is composite climate. Cities like Delhi, Jaipur, Lucknow, Hyderabad, this zone has a mix of hot, dry, warm, humid and cold season, meaning one design strategy alone won't work. We need flexible, adaptable building solution responding seasonally. 4. Temperate, that is moderate. Bangalore, Pune and certain upland region, these regions enjoy mild summer and mild winter with comfortable humidity. Architectural focus here is generally balanced with moderate shading and reasonable ventilation. Fifth is cold, sunny and cloudy. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal, Uttarakhand and Ladakh area, they are very low temperature, strong cold wind and snow. So building required insulation, compact forms, south facing opening for solar gain, protection from wind chill. And here on the map you can visually see the climatic distribution across India, red, yellow, blue, violet, each presenting a different zone. This classification is essential for climate responsive design, energy efficiency, thermal comfort, sustainable architecture, and of course for gate exam question. A lot of questions are like which climate does Rajasthan fall under? What is the passive design strategy for warm and humid zone? Which cities lies in composite climate? So now knowing this chart is a direct scoring opportunity. And in my full lecture inside the warrior batch will not only study these zones, we will learn actual design strategy, case studies, example of buildings and traditional architecture from each climate zone, and how to apply these concepts in real architectural solutions also. This topic is just the beginning. We will dive into thermal comfort, daylighting, HVAC logic, ventilation principle, IEQ, and so much more. So this is just the trailer. The full lecture is coming up inside the building services environment module. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.